Hello angels, today I'll be teaching you how to upload avatars from our MaskedTearZ community server. Specifically the avatar file that is not a Unity file, but instead an entire folder. But I will quickly show you how to upload the Unity package as well too. Just that you will need a couple of things in tandem before you go ahead and upload the avatar. So do hang around, hang tight, and I will show you guys shortly. Alright, so first things first, we were going to need to download VRChat Create a Companion. How'd you do that is head to vrchat.com/download, where you can find this link down at the bottom here. Click and download. Once you have VRChat Create a Companion installed, you will need to download Unity Hub and the correct version of Unity in order to upload your VRChat avatar. As for the correct Unity version, please do download 2022.3.22f1. This will make things a lot easier as this is the current version that VRChat uses to upload avatars into VRChat. Do note that you have to be new user rank or above in order to have permission to upload avatars and worlds into VRChat. So if you are just a visitor, do play a little bit and do remember to connect your Steam account over to your VRChat account in order to get started ranking up. When you guys are finished downloading VRChat Create a Companion, Unity Hub, and the correct Unity version installed, please head down over to Settings, Packages, and Community Repository. The repository you guys will need are White Flare, VRC Fury, Poyomi, and Modular Avatar. All these links will be provided down below in the description. And how you guys will add them is simply click Add Repository. Copy and paste the repository code, in this case VRC Fury, and just click Add Repository. Since I already had this added, this message will show up and it will say I cannot add it again. But once you added it, it will appear down at the community repository, and please be sure to check the box. Now, back to projects. In order to obtain the file of our community avatars, you must be subbed to my Twitch channel, twitch.tv/MaskedTearZ, and be in our Discord, and also have your Twitch connected to your Discord in order to get the role to gain access to our hidden sub-channel called Subtreats. Once you have the previous step done, you will want to head over to my Discord channel under Peeps and Rule Doormat. Scroll all the way down, there will be a hidden channel called Subtreats that will be available to you after you verify. Please choose your avatar of choice. In my case, I'll choose Charmaine as an example. Click on the media file link where you'll be sent to a page where you can download the avatar of your choice. Click on download. Once you have the file installed, please head over to your downloads or wherever you download the file. In my case, I have it under my download. Extract the files and please wait for that to finish. Once you have the file extracted, please head back to VRChat Create a Companion, and next to New Project there's a little arrow. Click on the arrow, Add Existing Project, and from there go and find where you extracted the file. In my case, my files will be under Download. Click on Select Folder, and once you do, as you can see, the new AVI file will show up on the list right here, right at the top. What is needed to be done is to check the Manage Files. Make sure the correct versions and the correct packages are installed. In this case, Modular Avatar, Avatar Manager, Gesture Manager, and of course VRChat SDK for both base and avatar, and VRChat Package Resolver. These are the packages that are installed automatically. If not, please do check that they are installed properly. Once you have all that set up, please check the correct Unity version. In this case, 2022.3.22f1. Afterwards, click Open Project. Once you're done with all the checks, please do click on Open File right over here on the side and bring to the front. Once you have the project open, please do click on this blue button on the side which will say Open Project. Since I already have this project open, it will say Bring to the front. Once you have the file open up, you'll have everything on the side here with all these files and projects here. You do not need to worry about any of this unless you want to change any textures or mess around with the FBX. What you want to do is click on your avatar on the side. Click on Inspector. Scroll all the way down, and please do make sure that the pipeline is detached from the files. Once you detach the files, and under VRChat SDK, under Authentication, please do log into your VRChat account. As I said before, that you need to be new user rank or above to be allowed to publish worlds and avatars over here on the site. Once you log into your account, please click on Builder. Give your avatar a name. So in my case, I will name it Char name. You could choose to put your own thumbnail in or capture it straight from the scene. Capturing from the scene will be a little bit easier. You could zoom in, mess around, and choose, whatever angle you want to do. Click on capture. And please do check the validations if there is anything that needs to be fixed with an auto fix button. If not, then you're good to go. Click this checkbox down at the bottom. Once you do that, you are able to build and publish. And once you're done, if it's successful, down at the bottom it will say upload succeeded. And with that, you will have the community avatar from the Mask Sanctuary in your Avi list. As for the other method of uploading avatar, everything is the same, but in this case you will go to Asset, Import, Custom Packages, choose a Unity package that you want to upload. In this case, as an example, I will upload this Avi here, import the packages as mentioned. This will take a bit. In this case, you will follow the instructions from the page of the Avi creator and their requirements of what they need in order to upload the avatar. They should give you a step-by-step to upload the avatar. Everything should be the same as how you guys will upload the community avatar. But in this case, you guys will have to go to the files down at the bottom, and there will most likely be a Open Me Unity scene. They double click, open, and the files will be on the side here. And of course, please do make sure the pipeline manager is empty before you upload avatar. Alright, happy uploading, angels.